Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Keep your questions rolling in. It's a super busy day today. I've got appointment after appointment after appointment, but I want to squeeze in these two videos. There's tons of stuff going on. Today's question that I received from someone, and by the way, all of you guys can do this, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com or any social network, it's Dan Sfera is my username. Ask me a question, I'll respond always. And then I'll, if it's a good question, I'll make a video and keep you anonymous. So today's is like a little appetizer for my end of August webinar on how to find PIs and how to compensate them. So it's just going to be a quick video. It says, hey, I know you've done tons of videos on this, but I wanted to know what your thoughts were on bringing in an MD. If we bring a study to an MD's site, and set up the contract between the MD and the sponsor, we provide the coordinators and manage the study from start to finish and use the MD's patient population. What do you think is a fair percentage split? So this is essentially the SMO model, unless you're using a completely new entity to manage each separate MD that you find. If you're using the same one, it's basically an SMO model. A fair split is 80-20. 80 going to you, 20 going to the MD, if you can get them to agree to that. And if you're an MD watching and you're in this situation, a fair split for you, what you should negotiate, is 50-50. So it really depends on your skills as a negotiator and as a salesperson on what you can get. If I were the site, I'd try to get 80-20 in my favor. If I were the MD, I'd try to get around 50-50. So probably what's truly fair in a utopia is somewhere in between, but it's not our job to determine what would be fair in a fantasy world. It's what's fair and what would they agree to and what would you be willing to do it for and how much can you maximize your own profits and still be reasonable to them. So I think 80 for you, 20 for them. And if you're an MD watching, again, 50-50 is what I would try to go for. So if you're in this scenario, give me a call. My consulting team can help you out either side of the table. Okay, 949-415-6256. But if you're paying the coordinators, you're bringing in the studies, you're negotiating, basically doing everything except recruiting the patients. And you're even doing a lot of that because you're going to have to be doing pre-screening from all of the MD's patient population. You will be putting in a lot of work. So 80-20 is probably fair. It's on the high side of fair for you. And 50-50 is probably on the high side of fair for the MD. So somewhere in between that. But if I were you, just go with 80-20, all right? Hopefully this helps. Stay tuned for my 1-hour webinar on this exact topic at the end of August. I believe it is going to be August 27th at 2 p.m. Pacific time. And if you're signed up to my email list, you're going to get a reminder the day before. Just go to theclinicaltrialsguru.com and sign up on my email list absolutely free, all right? Thank you guys for your questions. Keep them coming. Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.